Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to claim your airdrop coins on Binance Launchpool. First, you can open your Binance apps and go to Launchpool. If you cannot find it, you can just search it. Launchpool, this one, and click it. And as you can see, there is ongoing Launchpool, which is red token. You can click it and you can scroll down, and as you can see, I have locked my 10 USDC. This is very small, I just for example, and I can claim my redstone token, my airdrop here. So this is for example, I will claim it. You can click claim, and that's it. Now you got your tokens, and it's still ongoing, still 2 days, 1 day and 7 hours. So I will still get my token here later, and I can claim it later. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.